Okay guys, welcome back to Mason Fix, and today we have a new project in the shop. It is this 1997 Volvo 850, and this car has probably been sitting for close to 10 years. So today we are gonna see if we can't get it running. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna try is to spray some gas in the intake, and then we will see if it fires. Let's see here. Okay, so it did a fire. That means that what I getting good at a spark and everything. It's just not getting fuel. And then we can check to see if we have any fuel pressure there, and we do not. Fuel should spray out, and no fuel is coming out. When I turn the key on, we should hear the fuel pump run, and I do hear something running, but I do not think it is the fuel pump. And the way that we can double check that is pull the fuel pump fuse and see if it stops, and it did not stop, and I just dropped the fuse down there. So let me see if I can get. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is test for power at the fuel pump to make sure that the fuel pump's getting power. So you want to crank the car over, and yeah, it does look like we're getting us something. So that's good. Okay, so I dropped the fuel tank, and there's just a few hoses and some wires to disconnect, and then it will drop out. But you actually don't need to drop the fuel tank to replace it. There's actually an access hole that you can get to the fuel pump, and that is what the fuel pump looks like. Oh, that gas looks wonderful. Certainly smells wonderful. So this is the last of what I drained from the gas tank. I don't know if you can see that, but there's all types of crud in that. See that? Look at all that. That would not be good for the... Okay, so we got the new parts in, and you can see that we only use top quality parts here. And whenever you replace the fuel pump, it's a good idea to replace the fuel filter, especially on a car this old. He even gave me these instructions with the fuel pump, and they show to use a special tool to tighten down the spring that holds in the fuel pump. But I don't have that special tool, but I think I got something that might work. Okay, so before you put your pump in, make sure you have the fuel strainer on, and make sure you got your gasket on, and then the pump should sit in like that. You have to pay attention to how you took it out. Yes, I think. And then you just tighten down the spring and make sure it stays pointed the right direction. I don't think it matters too much how it gets pointed, just so the fuel hoses line up and then tighten. It does matter which side your hoses connect to, because you can see one side is the pump side, because this hose runs all the way down to the fuel pump, and the other side is the return side, and typically the pump side will be bigger than the return side, but on this fuel pump, they're both the same size. But on this Chevy fuel pump, you can see that the pump side is bigger than the return side. Okay, so I got the tank bolted back up, got the fuel pump plugged in, and the fuel lines connected, so let's see if it will start. Okay, and moment of truth. And there we go, it starts. Okay, so let's just take this for a little test drive here. Yeah, you might be able to see better out. I need to clean the window. Oh, wait, no. No, we're doing all this wrong. I put it in sport. There we go. I don't know if oh, okay, there might be a little bit of a difference in sport mode. Okay, well, we got this car running, and it's actually a pretty cool car. Check this out. These headlights have little wiper blades, and then, of course, this side is broken. And then these inside door handles, they're actually kind of cool, too. You don't really see them like that. And then the window switches, they're on the center console rather than the door panel like you see most of the time. So, yeah, stay tuned for more videos on this car, and please like, subscribe, and share this video, and thank